Hey everyone, a world where gravity doesn't exist. Objects float freely, defying all known laws of physics. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you this world is a reality, a concept explored in the realm of theoretical physics? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Newton, a hypothetical particle that could explain the force of gravity. And, yes, we'll even try to answer the burning question, what is the price of Newton? Newton, a hypothetical particle. Before we get into the price, let's understand what Newton is. It's a hypothetical particle, proposed by scientists as a possible carrier of the gravitational force. Think of it like the photon, which carries the electromagnetic force. The idea is that Newton particles are constantly being emitted and absorbed by all objects with mass. These particles interact with each other, creating the gravitational attraction we observe. The search for Newton. Scientists have been searching for evidence of Newton particles for decades. The Large Hadron Collider, LHC, the world's largest particle accelerator, has been a key player in this search. However, so far, no conclusive evidence has been found. One of the main challenges in detecting Newton particles is their extremely weak interaction with matter. They're so subtle that they're incredibly difficult to observe directly. The price of Newton, a theoretical calculation. Even though we haven't found Newton particles yet, we can still speculate about their potential price. This might seem strange, but in the world of theoretical physics, even hypothetical particles can have a theoretical value. The price of a particle is often related to its energy. Higher energy particles are generally more difficult to produce, so they have a higher theoretical value. In the case of Newton particles, their theoretical value would depend on their mass. Unfortunately, there's no definitive answer to the question of how massive Newton particles would be. Different theories propose different masses. However, if we assume a certain mass, we can make an estimate of their theoretical value. Potential applications of Newton particles. If Newton particles were ever discovered and harnessed, they could have profound implications for technology and our understanding of the universe. For example, they might be used to create advanced propulsion systems for spacecraft or even develop devices that could shield us from harmful radiation. One intriguing possibility is the creation of a gravity shield. By manipulating Newton particles, we might be able to create a barrier that would deflect the gravitational force of a celestial object. This could have implications for space travel and planetary defense. Conclusion. So, what is the price of Newton? While we don't have a definitive answer yet, we can speculate that it would be incredibly high. The potential applications of Newton particles are vast, and their discovery could revolutionize our understanding of the universe. As scientists continue their search for these elusive particles, we can only imagine the incredible breakthroughs that may lie ahead. And who knows, perhaps one day we'll be able to answer the question of the price of Newton with certainty. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.